#1 rule when removing seats, give yourself enough room. So, probably confused, I just put my driver's seat back in. I drove yesterday, all good. Now what I'm gonna do is take the front seats, even though I just installed that, and the door panels to an auto upholstery guy. So, gonna take those in today and see what he says. Mostly curious about the front seat, so I'll pull this out and we'll do a good before picture. I'm really deciding on whether or not I want to redo them in the hurricane cloth for this or just factory. I think I'm gonna stick with factory. There's already too many options for this car as is. I think I just go factory. Really a nice clean refresh. Yeah, because if I did the hurricane cloth, then I would have to do the rears too, and that'd be a pain in the butt. So I'm gonna see if he can fix these door panels because they are peeling up. I don't know if that's something that's fixable or, I mean, something. Yeah, I don't know how you would fix that, but I don't know how to reupholster seats either, so it's worth a shot. I'll bring those in, and see what he says. All right, so here are the seats, and you can see a lot of wear on the bolsters. I mean, they're just old. I like the feel of them though. The stock feel is great. Here's the other one. So we'll get these loaded in the truck and brought to the upholstery guy. See what happens. Oh, don't break the truck. Hopefully those won't fly out in the back. I think this is gonna be too loud, but we'll try it. So, just got back from J&H Upholstery, I believe is what it was, and dropped off the seats. I went to him and I said, I want the closest material to factory BMW leather as I can get. I want it to be as close to BMW leather, so I was willing to spend a little bit more because I want it to be good quality stuff. So we went into a shop, he said, perfect. Now this guy's been doing it for 30 years, so he knows a thing or two about it. So he said, perfect, I have the exact supplier for this. We use these guys for all BMW stuff because it's such good quality or such high quality leather. So we went, found the part, the material alone, $2,023 for those seats. Install, $200 a seat. So we're right around $2,500 for redoing the front seats on the E36 M3. Yeah, I was gonna guess like $1,000. I've never messed with interior before, so $2,500 is a lot more than I was expecting, but I want the interior to be nice. I want high quality stuff, so I'm sure it'll be good. He's gonna order the material. They should be done in about a week and a half to 2 weeks, he said. So now we wait. I'm gonna get started on the rust under the battery box. Oh, one more thing. They could not do the door panels. He said this material shrinks over time, so getting that back is nearly impossible. And just redoing it isn't something that's worth their time in labor. So I have a few options with that. I can try and find aftermarket door panels. I found a few sets that are pretty cool, or I can try and find OEM style, or I can try and find old panels, I guess. Not OEM style, but actual M3 panels, and put those in there. So, a couple decisions to make, but I want to do, there's a lot I want to do to the interior, so stay tuned. I think the first thing we're going to tackle is interior, get it buttoned up, make it look nice, and yeah, put in all the work. Smash the like, smash the subscribe, and stay tuned for what happens next to this thing.